Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking back in on silver on multiple time frames. We've got clear resistance at 2075, a lower high was set, but we're still maintaining higher lows. If the bears break 1928, then it's time to start paying attention. That would be a significant development, but the 10-day moving average support is catching up at 1957. We can see 2050 for rejections with an inability to close above that level. So if we get a close above 2050, that's a significant bullish development, but as of right now, the bears looking in control in the short term. The weekly time frame did close above that 200 week. We actually were rejecting from it. So in Stockcharts.com here depends on when they close the day, because we know that silver and the commodities are trading long into the night, but at what point do they call it a day? So there's a little bit of discrepancy there, but the 200-week moving average support is 20.05, and we are currently holding it on a back test. It is a bearish reversal candlestick forming here, and technically it was a bearish reversal candlestick last week with that long upper wick, but we are still holding the upper Bollinger Band support and that key 200-week moving average. Looking at silver on the hourly chart, things are still looking pretty good here. If you compare it to gold, gold today broke its low from the data release dump on Friday, and you can see silver is still about 4% above that level. So silver is holding up way better than gold is currently. We still have this hourly downtrend resistance line to watch, but we're looking at 20.03 support, and the high we've seen on this little bounce attempt was 20.23 resistance. So when comparing the two metals, silver by far is out in the lead, nowhere near breaking that low, whereas gold has already broken it. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see the uptrend still fairly intact. We did get that lower high, but the higher lows also maintained. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see a tightening range forming, and we can draw a couple trend lines here to keep an eye on this range as it gets tighter and tighter over the next couple of days, and we'll get a clear break from that channel. I'm drawing the real bodies of support and the real bodies of resistance. Some people use the wicks. That's perfectly fine as long as you maintain consistency when you do so. So I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful night.